We are Wausau Tile. Working out of his two-car garage, Ed Kresge founded Wausau Tile in 1953. Today, his son Bill and the entire Kresge family have grown Wausau Tile to become an industry leader. We currently develop and manufacture a wide variety of Terrazzo products, and by partnering with Dow Tile, we supply a larger number of markets and customers. Our manufacturing facility encompasses over 450,000 square feet, and we employ over 340 employees. Wausau Tile realizes the need to become environmentally friendly in both our facility operations and the products we manufacture. We are very proud to utilize recycled water in all phases of our manufacturing process and incorporate water filtration systems to reduce particles in our wastewater. Wausau Tile works with a domestic manufacturer of porcelain sinks, toilets, showers, and bathtubs. By agreeing to reuse their porcelain seconds, their porcelain is a direct replacement for aggregate used in all of our concrete products, including our line of Eco Premier Terrazzo Tile. This porcelain, crushed glass, and other recycled materials allow Wausau Tile to manufacture a wide variety of colors, styles, and sizes of Terrazzo tile. To fully appreciate the versatility and durability of our Terrazzo tile, we must first explain what Terrazzo tile is before explaining the manufacturing process. Terrazzo is a manufactured, pressed tile. It can be used as floor or wall treatments, and it consists of marble, quartz, granite, glass, porcelain, or other suitable aggregate that are combined with a cementitious binder. The Terrazzo is then cured, ground, and polished to a smooth, uniform surface. Currently, Wausau Tile is the only domestic manufacturer of cementitious Terrazzo tile, and by combining technology, innovation, and dedication, we are proud to manufacture the best Terrazzo tile yet available. Manufacturing Terrazzo tile begins when we add aggregate, cement, and other raw materials to create a finished custom tile. These raw materials are then combined and processed before being poured into preset molds. Once these molds of Terrazzo tile mixture have been prepared, they are pressed with over 900 tons of pressure. This automated process creates an attractive, durable tile that yields consistent results. Following the mold process, the racks of Terrazzo tile are relocated into a kiln where they cure at 140 degrees for the next 24 hours. Once the kiln has finished curing, the racks of raw, unfinished Terrazzo tile begin their journey through our line of finishing machines. The unfinished raw tiles are run through the grinding heads where they are back ground on one side before being flipped to be ground on the top finished side. This grinding process calibrates a consistent thickness and ensures the tile is flat. Now that the rough surface of each Terrazzo tile has been smoothly ground down, they must be polished to a clean, smooth surface. The polished tiles are then passed through the chamfer machine, where a chamfer edge is added to each tile. From the chamfer machine, the tiles are dried prior to receiving an initial coat of protection. Before we begin the packaging process, a highly trained technician inspects each tile for any imperfections. Once the tiles have passed inspection, they make their way down the line where they are packaged into boxes, banded together, and loaded onto pallets. Loaded pallets are eventually relocated to a staging area before being processed for shipment to their final destination. We take every precaution prior to shipping, and that includes repackaging each pallet with protective measures to ensure our customers receive the Terrazzo tiles in the same condition they left our manufacturing center. By following a stringent process of manufacturing and inspection, we ensure that each of our Terrazzo tiles show up at their final destination ready for installation. Bring your interior designs to life by utilizing tiles of 5 standard sizes, custom-cut linear options, or create exclusive individual designs with our water jet process. Our custom treads and finished base options allow you to create a unique floor plan with a number of accents, finishes, transitions, and applications. Our sample department is constantly developing new ways for end users to distribute and view our wide variety of Terrazzo tile samples. Our test department at Wausau Tile is second to none. They are instrumental when determining the compression, flexural, stain, and absorption rates of our Terrazzo tile. Schools, churches, airports, and shopping malls are just a few of the locations where our Terrazzo tile is used to create an incredible aesthetic presentation. From architects and builders to developers and institutions, Wausau Tile has been inspiring innovation and design for 60 years. We are Wausau Tile.